Something massive just happened in the world of AI. On July 8, 2026, XAI dropped Grok 4.5 on the world. In the same week, OpenAI fired back with GPT 5.6. The AI war is officially on. And if you're not paying attention, you are already falling behind. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what these new models mean, which one wins, and most importantly, how you can use them right now to make money and build your business. Welcome back. On this channel, we cover AI, business, finance, and the mindset to make it all work. If you are new here, subscribe right now, because this is exactly the kind of video that separates people who stay ahead from people who stay stuck. Let's get into it. Let me start by explaining what Grok 4.5 actually is, because most people have no idea. Grok 4.5 is the brand new AI model built by XAI, Elon Musk's AI company. It launched to the public on July 9th, 2026, after a private beta with SpaceX and Tesla teams. It is built on a massive 1.5 trillion parameter foundation, 3 times larger than the previous version. And here's the part that matters most for people like us. It is incredibly cheap. $2 per million input tokens and $6 per million output tokens. Compare that to GPT 5.5, which costs $5 input and $30 output. That means Grok 4.5 is roughly 5 times cheaper to use than GPT for the same quality of work. Independent testing ranked Grok 4.5 fourth on the Global AI Intelligence Index, right behind Claude Opus, GPT 5.5, and Fable 5. But here is the thing nobody is talking about. It produces results using 4 times fewer tokens than its competitors, which means in real-world use, it is dramatically cheaper per task. For entrepreneurs and business owners, this changes everything. Now let us compare them directly. On the SWE Bench Pro test, which measures real-world coding and engineering ability, Grok 4.5 scored 64.7% versus GPT 5.5 at 58.6%. Grok actually beat GPT on this benchmark. On Terminal Bench, which tests complex command line tasks, they're almost identical. 83.3 for Grok versus 83.4 for GPT. Essentially a tie. Where GPT 5.5 pulls ahead is on the hardest long horizon tasks. On Deep SWE version 1.1, the most difficult engineering benchmark, GPT 5.5 leads by 14 points. So here is the honest summary. GPT 5.5 is slightly more powerful on the hardest tasks. Grok 4.5 is 5 times cheaper and processes tasks 4 times more efficiently. For everyday business use, content creation, research, automation, customer emails, market analysis, Grok 4.5 delivers near identical results at a fraction of the price. If you're building a business and watching your costs, Grok 4.5 just became your best friend. Now let us talk about what actually matters. How do you use this to make money right now? Here are 5 practical ways I would use Grok 4.5 and GPT 5.5 in a real business today. Number 1, content creation at scale. Use Grok 4.5 to write social media posts, video scripts, email newsletters, and blog articles. At 5 times cheaper than GPT, you can produce 10 times more content for the same budget. Number 2, market research. Paste competitor websites, industry reports, and customer reviews into Grok and ask it to find gaps, trends, and opportunities. This is research that used to cost thousands of dollars and weeks of time. Now it takes minutes. Number 3, customer service automation. Build an AI assistant using Grok 4.5 through the API that handles common customer questions, processes inquiries, and responds to leads, all automatically while you sleep. Number 4, financial analysis. Paste earnings reports, stock news, and company data into GPT 5.5 and ask it to summarize what matters for your investment decisions. Use Grok for the volume work and GPT for the most critical analysis where accuracy matters most. Number 5, business automation. Connect Grok 4.5 to tools like Zapier and make to automate repetitive tasks, lead generation, data entry, scheduling, follow-ups. Set it up once and let it run indefinitely. Here is what I want to leave you with. The people who win in the AI era are not necessarily the most technical. They're the most adaptable. Every week, there's a new model. Every month, the tools get better. The discipline that separates winners from losers is the commitment to keep learning, keep testing, and keep applying what you learn to your business and your finances. Do not wait until you fully understand AI to start using it. Start using it today. Test Grok 4.5. Test GPT 5.5. See which one works better for your specific needs. The cost of testing is almost zero. The cost of not testing is falling behind everyone who did. The AI war between XAI and OpenAI is the best thing that has ever happened for people like us, because competition means better tools at lower prices. And lower prices mean more power in the hands of individual entrepreneurs. So here is your action plan. Go to Grok.com and test Grok 4.5 today. It is free to try. Compare it to ChatGPT on your most common business tasks. Pick the one that works best for you and start using it consistently. That is how you stay ahead in 2026. If this video gave you value, drop a comment below and tell me, are you Team Grok or Team GPT? I want to know what you think. Subscribe for more videos exactly like this every single week. Hit the bell so you never miss it. I will see you in the next one.